Feels so good. Hello everyone, this is Allen We are ZetaCube from Korea. Our company is providing hardware and the software optimized solution to the new storage providers and the DP sector users. We are concentrated about our product during 2 years and figure out under the name of the Nano DC. So today, I got this wonderful chance from the Falcon Foundations. I really appreciate about this wonderful FiL Devsummit in Bangkok. I can slide and uh, presentation for the explain about our solution and the product. Let's do the presentation together. Let's do the presentation now. Our slide deck title is a decentralized storage network and the DP must physically decentralized.
The era of artificial intelligence and Web 3.0 has arrived. In the past 2 years, 90% of the world's digital data has been generated. To store and manage this vast amount of data, numerous data centers are being established. Decentralized physical infrastructure network is accelerating the decentralization of all data centers. However, building a decentralized data center is not easy for us. It requires enormous funds, resources, and above all, advanced technology. Now we can build and operate our own data centers. Say goodbye to the complexities of data center construction. Experience the innovation of Nano. With just 107 square feet space and 15 kilowatt of power, you can easily set up a data center anywhere. Thanks to Nano DC, our highly integrated hardware and software solution. When combined with the innovative decentralized storage technology of FiL, it enables the next generation of Industry 4.0 business. Simply connect the prepared storage to the FiL network and it will automatically generate revenue. You get daily earnings in FiL, and when data is stored, it generates 10 times profits. It's truly a fourth industrial franchise business where machines make money for you. Nano DC, an innovative fourth industrial revolution data center franchise brand that can be built at the cost of starting a restaurant or cafe.
Okay, so now in this time, I wish to introduce our company first. We are ZetaCube, working for the SP and the DP networks. ZetaCube is established year 2022, but we are start the Falcon business on the late 2020. So quite a long time we have some working with the Falcon ecosystem and the partners in Korea and overseas. And we have a strong R&D team, so we are officially licensed researching center we have, and our engineers is a hardware and software and the network engineer per the blockchain and DP and the server and the network equipment side. And my background is 30 years over IT field, continuously developed the hardware and software and the manufacturings and the open source chairmans and quite a long history and the experience. So now in this time, I just focus on the Web3 and the IPFS and the DPIN only. So I'll figure out the Nano DC per the spread out to the whole of the world is my target and my goal for our projects. And we have several kind of product lineups, and it is combined with the Nano DC and the NAS system and the Saturn servers, and we have a lot of patents also. Now I wish to explain about our keynote. Decentralized storage must decentralize. Decentralized storage is just the name of the decentralized, but unfortunately, they have some many big data centers and some installation, the many nodes compressed into the one place. Then it cannot make the decentralized. So it is similar with the CDN network. So that kind of good effective need to build some decentral location and physical infrastructure. So we build our Nano DC, so build easy to build that kind of data centers per the DeepIn and Web3 and many some post-generation industries. Oh, Filecoin is absolutely number one decentralized Trojan network in the world. But unfortunately, still many miners doing like this. So this is Korea in Korea some miners pictures. So they just concentrate and combine into the one location many nodes and invest the big money from the so many investors gather that and so it makes the trouble by the many issues. Even government side sue and many troubles occurred. And in these times, there are many SPs gone. So we just suggest this kind of some discrete and decentralized story locations. So it is a follow up the Filecoin Plus theory and policies. So in Korea, in the one country three locations, and overseas two more locations, and five more 10 replica can provide for the some IPFS and Filecoin original ideas. So let's see the our showcase. So our leg is very big and heavy, thick some panels and so metal panels. And the left side, we embedded touch screen for the management system, every server status and monitoring that. And the right side is we installed some in 100 GB switching hub in there, and node miners and post workers. This is OEM our own product. And the important issue is plus sealing machine for the very high power sealing machine is in there, and the Seagate some 2 terabytes storage is inside. So and the UPS is embedded for the connecting with the left side. 40 units of the battery for the stand over 3 over hours, and it is controlled combined by the smart UPS and the monitoring and the checking and the operating by the some engineers outside. So this concept is a nano DC. So we call the nano is big enough. This is our concept. So we have a five reference in now in this time here and there in Korea West and those and the south side. So we are promote in this month. So maybe increase become much bigger and many data center is there. So mini factory installation is our strategy. So we just rent some mini factories and the installation simple installation like this. So in Korea, mini factory is very special factory style. So 1,500 over unit of mini factories in the Korea side here and there. So our target is there. So it is a very low electricity power cost and the rent fee. So operation fee is very low. Then we can make the much more benefit from the reward and some fee outside. And the installation is very simple. This is just one reference. So it's just deliver one lag and just connect combine with the 15 over kilowatt into there and install the server and the batteries. That's all. Just one day we can install the one data center. So that is our specialty for the NODC. So we can deliver this one anywhere, even South America, Africa, and East Europe and the desert. Anywhere to become a decentralized altcoin storage network. And introducing more our solution. Optimize and tune is our keyword. So I already explained about the battery side. So battery is embedded, then we can stand over three hours for the continuously operations. And management is very simple and special. We build our own WPC left side, attach some WPC, so monitoring everything is working with the Grafana system and Prometheus and all this stuff together. So people, they don't know about the engineering, it's no problem. So they can easy to monitoring and reporting to the our side. And we have a very good vendors, AMD, NVIDIA, and Seagate, and Supermicro for the high performance and the cost-effective servers. And the specialty is this. We have a very high power and the cost-effective workers, ceiling workers. So with the built with the Supermicro, Curio, and the Supranational, and the DSA side. So we can come out the just one day, one time, 128 sectors come out. So in one day, 167 QAP, terabyte QAP is possible to onboarding. And we have a KC license, KC certificate already. So now in this time, Seagate and many vendors for the hard drive technologies advanced quickly. So year 2026, we can get this 50 terabyte. They have a roadmap for that. So it can become a rich, become a rich nano DC become 40 petabyte low by in 1 lakh. So it is big enough for the just one data centers. It's a very near futures. And we delivered our own app for the providers some their benefit by the rewards. And we have some IoT system for the monitoring and every temperature and humidity and the pace recognition per the in and out and every controls. So we are launched per the any place Filecoin ecosystem. During the 3 years over, we visit here and there Filecoin meetups and the many summit for the share the information and technology and build our own solutions. And this is special one. We have a crypto business licensing in this time. So it is in just 2 years ago, government announced this policy per regulation from the government side. So only 37 company only passed this very hard testing. So we are applying in this month, and maybe we got some license before in this year, next month, early of next month. And we will using this license for our own liquidity pool. We developed our own liquidity pool already, and at the same time we were working with the alliance with the FiL Liquid for the much more success with each other, with together. And we build a joyful Python community feels so good. So anybody just visit our channel and share the information by the YouTube and the many channels, enjoyable communities. And we are preparing the Korea Enterprise Storage Provider Accelerator. So we have some first pilot is very successful in Korea. So we will plan for the next training for the storage providers. And I'm allocated too. So I'm working so hard for the Filecoin ecosystem and the DP network storage providing many things. Okay, this is in total. So thank you so much for the audience and the Filecoin Foundation side. And please visit our server website and our channels for the share the much more detailed information. Thank you so much. Thank you.